Kashmiri cuisine is primarily a celebratory cuisine. So, every time it's all about feasts. It's all about celebration. I love the labor that goes into it. It's not easy cuisine. Just like a laid-back place Kashmir is, the cooking style is as laid-back. It takes time. There's a lot of love that goes into it. There's a lot of time it takes, and it couples up then with with the hospitality of the people. So eventually, the way it is served, they look after you when it comes to food. It's all just one entire process, which is beautiful. When Timur invaded India, he had come with about, I think, 1,700 people, out of which there were a lot of cooks, and they settled in various parts of India and in Kashmir. So the descendants slowly took up to that cuisine, and that is where Kashmiri cuisine has actually originated from. Mutton yakhni is a yogurt-based mutton dish. Kashmiri Pandits make it differently. Kashmiri Muslims make it differently. Most of the things are very similar. We're taking specific cuts. These are softer cuts of mutton. It's the rib cage and the shoulder. We put this mutton in the water, and we're going to boil this now with khada masala. Now, to make the yakhni gravy, we're taking some yogurt, and there are these spices that we are adding. Eventually, we are garnishing it with some dried mint leaves. So that is yakhni for you. Authentic Kashmiri dum aloo is quite a process. So when you look for the potato, it needs to be round, it needs to be medium sized, and then they need to be similar. The hard work starts there. And when you do them, so one process is you boil them, then a process is that you peel them, then a process is that you use a toothpick or something. So you use it for the potato, you poke the potato with that so that masalas can go in. And then you deep fry them. One of the most important ingredients, whether in yakhni or in dum aloo, basically in Kashmiri Pandit cooking, is asafetida, which is hing. So we are adding a little bit of hing also to this. We are adding these potatoes, the fried potatoes to that, and then the rest of the spices, as you can see. So we'll add some more water after that to level it to like a lid to the potatoes inside. And we'll cover them and let it be on the flame for some time. And there you are. Mealability, the social media group, came into existence because I realized that there were so many food groups and there was so much happening on food and social media, and nothing was happening which was specifically Kashmiri. And I couldn't take it. And I wanted to take it to the world. I am as Kashmiri as any other Kashmiri, and I breathe Kashmir. I need that. I need that fresh air. Like they say, home is where the heart is. The heart is still there, and it is because the heart is there that this is what I'm doing about Kashmiri cuisine.